Kurume is a countryside city located in Fukuoka Prefecture, and it's where I spent a week in company of local people, learning about agriculture and Japanese culture. This little grocery store is located in Shibakari, and we can find fresh vegetables, Japanese teas and snacks. On the first day, I went to a strawberry field called Taiyo Farm. I learned how strawberries are grown, got the chance to eat some, and they tasted amazing. Here I learned how to make Japanese sweet called daifuku with the strawberries that we picked. For dinner, we went to Chiharu Egami's bakery, and she cooked baguettes for me, and I made fun and adorable people that night. On the second day, I learned how to plant vegetables at Mrs. Harumi's farm. On the third day, I went sightseeing with one of my host family. We went to Ukiha Inari Shrine. Ukiha Inari Shrine is a shrine with almost 100 gates standing on a mountain, so at the top the view is really amazing. After the shrine, we went to a sake brewery called Wakatakeya and located in Tanushimaru. We also visited a Japanese garden park, and this park is very relaxing and refreshing. It's a park full of trees and beautiful flowers. On the fourth day, we went to a tea shop, and the owner brought us to her tea field located 5 minutes away from the shop. Here I learned how to make matcha tea with my host family, and on the fifth day I learned how to make gyoza. On the sixth day I got the chance to visit Yoshi City, which is located in Ukiha district. Here is a beautiful bakery attached to a pottery shop where you're able to eat an amazing bread while enjoying the beautiful scenery. On the last day, I visited Kurume city. Throughout this week, I made unforgettable memories, learned about Japanese traditions and the importance of agriculture. I also met wonderful people.